A very warm good morning to my lovely students. Hope you all are doing well at home and enjoying online classes. Students, as you know that in our last class, that was yesterday, we have completed what? Chapter 25. So in today's session, we are going to do chapter 26 of English grammar, and that is comprehension. Now, what is comprehension? Comprehension is the ability to understand something or the process of understanding something, that we call comprehension. Now you must be thinking that, but what we are going to understand in this? So in comprehension, what be there? In this, you get a short story or any poem. Then on the basis of that, you get some questions which you have to solve. Means how much you understand or how much you understood that story or poem, that we need to check. Okay, so let's start today's session with its question 1, that is, read the story given below and answer the questions that follow. One day, Emperor Akbar was walking with Birbal in his garden. It was a beautiful summer morning. Akbar exclaimed, "What? Birbal, look at the crows. How nicely they are enjoying in my garden. Do you know how many crows are there in my kingdom?" "Then I don't think that anyone can count them." After that, what happened? Birbal quickly replied, "Your Majesty, I can tell you the exact number of crows in our kingdom. There are 95,999 crows in our kingdom." Akbar was amazed at this quick reply. He said, "What if there are more crows than that?" Then Birbal smiled and said, "If there are more crows, then my answer will be that some crows are visiting their friends and relatives from neighboring kingdoms." After that, Akbar smiled and asked, "And what if there are less than you are saying?" Then Birbal said, "Then I would say some crows of our kingdom have gone on holidays to other places." Akbar smiled at his quick wit and praised Birbal wholeheartedly. So babies, on the basis of that, there are some questions. Let's solve those questions. Which season was going on? Summer was going on. Number 2, what did Akbar want to know from Birbal? Number of crows in his kingdom. Then number 3, how many crows were there in Akbar's kingdom? There were 95,999 crows. Now, true or false? Birbal knew the exact number of crows in the kingdom? No, he didn't know that, but he was very clever. So, that's why he said that number of crows. Akbar praised Birbal for his quick wit. Yes, so it is true. Now, number 5, find synonyms from the passage. As you know that yesterday we learnt about synonyms. So, find synonyms from the passage. Surprised means amazed. Fast means quick. Pretty means beautiful. And appreciated means praised. Now the last one, find any 2 adverbs from the passage. So answer is quickly and nicely are the adverbs which are used in this passage. Now babies, you have to do question 2 and question 3 yourself. Now we'll be solving last question of this chapter, that is question 4, and it is a poem. So question says that read the poem and take the correct options. So name of the poem is Daffodils. I wander lonely as a cloud that floats on high over vales and hills, when all at once I saw a crowd, a host of golden daffodils, beside the lake, beneath the trees, fluttering and dancing in the breeze. continuously as the stars that shine and twinkle on the Milky Way. They stretched in never-ending line along the margin of bay. 10,000 saw I at a glance, tossing their heads in sprightly dance. The waves beside them danced, but they outdid the sparkling waves in glee. A poet could not but be gay in such a juicy company. I gazed and gazed, but little thought what wealth the show to me had brought. For oft, when on my couch I lie, in vacant or in pensive mood, they flash upon that inward eye, which is the bliss of solitude. And then my heart with pleasure fills and dances with the daffodils. Now, this poem is written by William Wordsworth. William Wordsworth is a famous, you can say, English poet. So babies, now we have some questions based on this. Daffodils. Number 1, who has composed this poem? Means who's poet of this poem? William Wordsworth. Number 2, the poet was dash when he saw the daffodils. So he was alone. Number 3, the poet compared himself with cloud. Number 4, the poet was in the company of beautiful flowers. Happy, sad or angry? In happy. Number 5, which of these pairs of words do not rhyme? Cloud, crowd, they are rhyming. Shine, line, they are rhyming. Thought, mood, yes, they are not rhyming. So, which one is the correct one? The last one. Number 6, which of these is the synonym of juicing? So, its synonym is cheerful and happy. Number 7, which of these is the antonym of pensive? And pensive, antonym means opposite. So, that is K. The last one is, which of these is an adjective? Golden, vendor, cloud. So, golden is a color, so that is an adjective. So, babies, that's all for today. Now, see you tomorrow, and who are at home, stay home, stay safe. See you in next class. Bye-bye. Bye.